Hello everyone and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. In celebration of Valentine's Day, I am excited to show you a few napkin folds you can use on your table setting. Now, let's get started. All you will need is a square cloth napkin. Alright guys, so once you select your choice of your napkin, what we're going to do right now is we have 3 foldings I want to show you, and the first one is a rose. So what you want to do with your napkin is you want to fold it into a triangle, just like this. And the peak of the triangle will be facing upward. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and start rolling towards from the bottom to the top. Just like this. Now it's a little bit long, so you kind of want to go slow and just make sure you're rolling all the way across. Just like this. Okay, you do want to leave a portion of that triangle because this at the end will be our leaves. Okay, and then what we're going to do at this point is you're going to roll that bottom section all the way across to the other side. Okay, so you're just going to keep rolling, rolling, and rolling more. Just like this. Now just make sure that as you're rolling this, the top portion there is not rolling too wrinkly on you there. Okay, so once we get to this part here, if your napkin is long enough, you can tuck it in back here, or you can tuck it inside there on one of the rose petals there. Okay, and what we're going to do is to bring those petals down is just separate them and kind of hug your rose with them, just like this. Okay, and when you flip it over, there is your rose. Now this looks awesome with a solid color, or I have a pattern napkin that I'm working with for your rose. All right, so let me show you another napkin fold. Let me undo this real quick. And we're going to start off having our napkin to that square. This next one is a petal. I kind of like using this to put my forks and my spoons and knife together. And what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start on the one that doesn't have a pattern, the side that doesn't have a pattern. And you're going to fold all four corners towards the center, just like this. And now we're going to flip the entire napkin, just like this. And you're going to fold all 4 corners towards the center again, just like this. All right, so here we go. I love this napkin fold because it looks so complicated, but it is very easy. You have your little leaves tucked on the bottom. You're just going to untuck them just like this on all 4 corners. Okay. Just like this. Now you can use this, again, I love to use this to put my, forks and knives and spoons in there. You could also use it to put a cup on here right in the middle, or just center it onto the plate. All right, let's move on to another favorite of mine, especially for Valentine's, is a heart. So what we're going to do is start with your napkin into that triangle, fold just like this. All right, and then we're going to bring the corners towards the bottom, just like this, both left and right. And I'm going to flip mine around so the opening of my napkins are towards the top. Now you're going to bring that top portion just downward, and you're going to fold it into a diagonal direction like this, because we're forming a heart shape here, okay? And do the same thing to the other side. And then this portion on that bottom, that last little layer, you're just gonna tuck it inside, just like this. And you can play around with that for a little bit so you can form your little heart. And there you go, guys. Those are some napkin folds that you can use during your Valentine's dinner. Thank you so much for joining in today. See you next week for more origami fun. A happy Valentine's Day to all. Bye.